Tovians, welcome back. It's your girl Tovia Ogun. If you are new to this family, you're welcome. If you're returning subscribers, you're welcome. If you're here to subscribe, please do that right now. Thumbs up this video and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this YouTube video. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this particular intro. So one of you actually asked me to show you guys how to make a YouTube intro, and that's why I decided to make this video. So if you want to know, make sure you watch this video to the very end. So I'm just going to leave this scene right now to show you guys how you can actually make your YouTube intro. So guys, to actually start making your artistic intro template, what you want to do is to just open your Safari or Google Chrome or just Google. So once you're there, just open whichever one you want. So I'm just going to use my Chrome. And then you want to search for the artistic background image. So just write artistic background image. Then go to the images and just search up whichever one you actually want. There's a lot to choose from, so just pick the one you want. So once you find the one you want to use, just click on it and then hold down the photo and then click on save image. So the next thing we want to do is to actually find our image size by using the app PicsArt. You can actually download the app PicsArt from your app store. So just click on the middle plus sign and then go get that very image. You want to click on tools, click on crop, and then just find YouTube. So then you can move the image to how you want it to be. So for me, I'm just okay like this. And then click on apply and save it. So the next app you're going to be using is the app Fonto. So this is to help us with text. But if you have any other app that actually help you with text, you can use that app. But I do use Fonto, so I'm just going to click on Fonto. Again, you can actually download Fonto from your app store. So just click on the camera sign below, click on photo albums, and then click on that very image, and then click on done. So you want to just tap on the image and say artist. So just write your name or whichever name you want to use, click on center and done. So here it is. If you actually like the way your text look with the background, you can just go ahead and save it. But for me, I like to play around with my text, just put some shadow and make it a little bit vibrant. So I'm just going to click on my text and then go to style. And then you can actually change your text color if you want. So there's a lot to choose from, guys. I'm just going to try this pink, probably might like it. And then you want to go to style. So you want to add alpha, which is like the shadow, to actually help the, help the text a little bit vibrant. So add a little bit of that. And then just click on done if you like it. So this is how mine currently look. So I kind of like it. So guys, if you actually like it, you can move it around. You can add size to this. Okay, you can move it a little bit. So if you actually like the way yours actually look, just click on the sign by the side and then click on save image as PNG and then click OK. So the next app you're going to be using is iMovie app. So you want to just open your iMovie. Again, you can actually download iMovie from your app store. So just click on the plus sign and say movie, and then just pick that image you just saved from Fonto and then click on create movie. So this is our image. You can see how it is moving and we don't want that to happen. So what you want to do is to tap on the image, click on Cane Bounce enable. In that way it doesn't have to move anymore. So the next thing we're going to do is to make this image 10 seconds. Right now you can see it's just 7 seconds. So for me, I actually like my intro to be 10 seconds. Later on the video, I can always shorten it, but I just like to make it 10 seconds from here. So you want to just adjust this to become 10 seconds. Almost. Here we go, 10 seconds. Once you're done, just click on done and then click on the sign in the middle and then click on save image. I like to export, guys. So just click on OK. So next app we're going to be using is Videostar. So this is going to help us have that wavy, that wavy look, that artistic wavy look. So that's what we're going to be doing with this very app. So again, you can actually download this app from your app store. So you want to just click on it. And then you want to click on the plus sign up there. And then click on edit video. Go pick that very video you just made from iMovie. And here we go. I'm just going to let this play. You can see there's nothing happening on the video right now. It's just there, just standing, doing nothing. So what you want to just click on is up there, just click on make video. I like to actually process, guys. So here we are with our video, nothing special again, our 10 seconds video. So the next thing we're going to do is to actually put that wavy effect. And to do that, you want to just click on the part that says new. Now click on the part that says re-effect. And then you want to click on the plus sign below. So just click on the search button over there. And then you're going to search for the name wave. So and then click on the last one. So you can see over there, oh my god, somebody help. So what you want to do is to just adjust it with this one here. Adjust it to your liking. If you like it this way, you can leave it, or you can, oh my god. You want to just stay around here, depending on what you want, guys. For me, I like it here, not too wavy, just there. Now you see the way it's wavy, you might not like this particular wave, so just scroll this up. And then you can pick it under, you can pick it from the left or from the right. For me, I always like the left. And then you can increase it or lower it, So just look for what you like. So once you finally find what you like, just click off it. And then you can see our result for the now. Again, you can add to this, you can reduce it. So I kind of like it like this. Yeah, I'm okay. Now, the next thing you want to do is to click this down. So this is another thing you can do. You can readjust it, you can re-lower it, okay? So next thing you want to do is to actually save this. And to save it, you want to just click on the re-effect and just let this play to the end, guys. And let it actually process. So next thing you want to do is to click on the star up there to exit this page. And then you want to click on this sign over here close to the video. And then click on send to camera roll. That is you done creating this particular wavy look. So it's time for us to actually add those aesthetic style look to it. And to do that, you want to just open YouTube. So once you're on YouTube, just search for the name Stars Green Screen. So I normally just go for this first one. And then guys, so I'm just going to say this. You can just scroll the video to 21 seconds because all of these are just intros. So just move to 21 seconds. That's where the actual video actually started. So from this part, you can screen record it from here. But first, I want to change the quality of the video. I want to click on the 3 sign up there. Click on quality. Click on advanced and put it at 1080p per 60. That's the highest mic can go. So whichever highest yours can go, just make it there. And then you want to scroll down. I'm already screen recording, so I can't press that red button. If not, you guys won't hear me. But this very red button that is clicking, because you're not screen recording, you're just going to click on that. And then to start screen recording, you'll see it up there. So just screen record this to the end. So guys, once you're done screen recording it, just remember to save the video. So we're just going to move to my photo gallery to actually edit our screen record. So here's my video. I don't like the way it actually look like this. Let me just show you guys because it has all of these details and I can't use it this way. So what you want to do is to tap on the video, click on edit, and then just click on the crop button and then scroll this up to cover the timestamps. And then scroll it down again. and then click on the video symbol, and then just scroll this to where it started playing, which is over here, and then scroll it from the side again over here. So once you're done, just click on done, and then just save the video. Do not save it as new clip, just save it as a video. And this is our video. Just let it prepare. So once that video is done saving, you want to go back to the app iMovie, and then click on new, and then click on the movie, and then just pick that video you just saved from Videostar, and then create movie. So this is our Wavy video. Let me play it for you guys. Yeah, it's cute, right? You like it? Yeah, I love it too. So this is our video. So what you want to do next is to click on this plus sign, click on video, click on recently added. Now go pick that aesthetic video you screen recorded from YouTube that we actually edited a few minutes back. And then once you click on it, click on the stereo sign by the side. You want to choose green or blue screen. Now you see how this look? I'm just going to play it for you guys to see. So that's it, guys. That's how to actually create your intro. Now you want to just click on done, click on this button by the middle, and then save the video. So guys, that is us done. If you want to pull music, you can always go back to your editing app and just add your music to it, or you can just use this very music. I think it's not copyrighted, but if it is, you can always change the music. That's all you need to do. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. Thumbs up this video and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this YouTube video. Happy to see you guys in my next video. Thank you for stopping by. I love you and bye.